Millions of people suffer from back pain at some point in their lives. A good portion of these patients suffer from sciatica, a type of pain that irradiates down to the back of your thighs and into the lower legs. In some cases, sciatica can become so severe that it limits the movement of any individual, leaving the patient in extreme pain and numbness. Now, the good news is that this nerve condition can be treated and often relieved by applying natural methods most people never thought existed. So in today's video, I'll reveal some of the most natural ways you can treat sciatica nerve pain naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of appointment or quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com. And I encourage you to stay till the end of this video where I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. Sciatica is basically the pain that irradiates along the path of the sciatic nerve. This nerve branches off from your lower leg back through your hips and down each leg. Now, this pain most commonly occurs when a herniated disc or a narrowing of the spine compresses parts of the nerve, causing inflammation, pain, and numbness in the affected leg. In some cases, this health condition can become so severe that it limits the movement of patients due to the extreme pain and numbness they are feeling. And although many patients recur to surgery, most cases can be resolved with non-operative treatments if you know how to treat it naturally. So in today's video, I'll reveal some of the most natural ways you can treat sciatica nerve pain naturally and effectively. Number 1, take alpha lipoic acid. If you remember what I mentioned at the beginning of this video, sciatica is basically a pressure on the sciatic nerve. This pinning of the nerve can cause 3 very important things: compression, inflammation, and nerve damage. Now, depending on what is affecting you specifically, your pain can be the result of 1, 2, or 3 of the factors I've just mentioned. Now, believe it or not, one of the most common is the damage caused to the sciatic nerve. This can be improved, however, with the consumption of a supplement that has shown to be very effective against nerve damage, and it's alpha lipoic acid. You see, alpha lipoic acid is a very popular supplement used in Germany to treat nerve damage and diabetic neuropathies of all sorts. As a matter of fact, it's an approved supplement for the treatment of nerve damage in any European nation. According to research, alpha lipoic acid can help nerve damage by improving metabolism and nerve function. You see, nerve cells need glucose and nutrients to stay healthy, and in conditions like sciatica, nerves can become damaged, needing all the help they can get in order to function and absorb that glucose out of your blood. Alpha lipoic acid is shown to help because it improves nutrient absorption of our nerves and prevents them from getting even worse. If you need a quality alpha lipoic supplement that contains more than 7 effective ingredients for nerve function and damage, look for Neuromatrix from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Thousands of patients have found great relief with this formula, which is very effective and 100% natural. Never forget alpha lipoic acid. Number 2, use cold and heat packs. When you first start experiencing sciatica pain, applying a cold pack can provide a lot of relief, especially if pain has an inflammatory characteristic to it. If this is the case, I suggest you wrap a cold pack or bag of frozen peas if you want, or a clean towel around the pain area where you have it. And if your sciatica is still bothering you after a few days, it could be helpful to treat it with heat instead of cold. You can try applying a heat lamp on the lowest setting possible, or maybe a hot pack that can help you treat or even reduce the painful area you are having. And if you still have and persist with that pain, try alternating between cold and hot packs as much as you can. This usually helps, especially if you have inflammation in that affected area. So very, very important. Number 3, take a natural anti-inflammatory supplement. Curcumin is a very powerful home remedy that can be found anywhere. It's one of the most popular supplements used today to treat several types of pain, including sciatica pain or any pain that has to do with inflammation, maybe joint pain, arthritis, or any other inflammatory condition. I've seen firsthand how curcumin, which is found, by the way, in turmeric, can be very effective. And you see, the reason why this anti-inflammatory herb can be helpful is because sciatica pain has a very important inflammatory factor to it. Sciatica is usually very inflammatory, especially if the person has been experiencing this pain without much relief. I use curcumin myself. It improves inflammation, health overall, reduces swelling, and relieves many pain inflammatory conditions or structural conditions you never imagined possible. I strongly suggest you make an effort to consume curcumin for sciatica. It's very effective and very useful. And if you can, try to consume it along with black pepper. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, helping it have a better effect and better action in your body. If you need a quality supplement for this condition due to inflammation, you can find CurcuHealth at drlandivar.com. CurcuHealth contains a 95% curcuminoid extract with bioperine and black pepper, which is very, very effective. And if you can, try to take it along with Extra Flex from Fineland, which contains other ingredients, which are natural ingredients specially designed for the regeneration of structural flexibility of your back and your cartilage. Very, very important. Number 4, use collagen. Most of us forget that sciatica pain most commonly occurs when there's a herniated disc or a narrowing of the spine that compresses the part of the nerve that is causing the problem, causing inflammation, pain, numbness of the affected area. The interesting thing about this is that collagen has the power to improve cartilage structure and unpin the nerve that is causing the problem. Taking collagen has been linked to better backbone movements, vertebral flexibility, and many patients even have seen their pain disappear with collagen consumption. Collagen should be required for anyone suffering from this health condition. And when you look for it, look for hydrolyzed collagen, much more effective. And by the way, several recent studies have found that this type of collagen is the most effective one you can use to relieve back problems, maybe cartilage or even joint pain. In Harvard, for example, researchers have found that supplementing with type 2 collagen does indeed help patients who suffer from cartilage and backbone conditions. If you need something effective that has the best high-quality hydrolyzed collagen found in nature, including fish collagen, look for collagen from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, use a chiropractor. Alternative treatments for sciatica can also provide some pain relief. A chiropractor, for example, can adjust your spine in a way that increases spinal movement and flexibility, which obviously improves spine function and decreases pain. A chiropractor treatment can also relieve back pain, and it will all depend on the way your sciatica nerve is structured or pinned. For example, you might have a problem having tight muscles as a result of this pain. A massage from time to time can help loosen up your muscles, alleviating some pain and improving mobility and flexibility, obviously. And apart from using a chiropractor, you can also try to use acupuncture. Acupuncture can also help relieve your pain for some time. Number 7, find your positions at home. If you're suffering from this pain, you probably know by now that certain body positions can be devastating for your sciatic pain. It may get worse, for example, when you sit in a specific position or when you exercise. And although it's hard to find a way to deal with it, it's extremely important that you discover which positions are worse than others for your nerve pain. Let's not forget that bad positions might make things even worse, and that's not what you want. So you need to know where your nerve is less effective and use those positions effectively. Very, very important. And help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlandivar.com. And I encourage you to check out these videos related to this topic. You're going to find valuable information that might prevent us here with the condition in the future. Thanks for watching it, guys, and I'll see you soon.